Let's talk tires. Hey, do you realize that you, your vehicle, and everything in it are actually riding on just 4 contact patches that are each just about the size of your hand? Yeah, well, that's why your tires are so important. So, has it been a while since you got new tires? Don't lose sight of their gradual loss of performance. A quick visual inspection can help you see if your tires need to be replaced. Here are 3 common warning signs. 1. Tread wear. Look for the tread wear bar between your tire's treads. If the tire surface has worn down even with this bar, you're driving on tires that have lost nearly twice their stopping performance, putting you and your occupants at risk. There's also a uniquely Canadian way to check your tread. Just stick a toonie into the groove. If the tread reaches across the silver, it's about 50% worn. If your tread only reaches about halfway into the letters, you likely need new tires. 2. Visual damage. See any strange bulges, bubbles, or little cracks? This usually means the structural integrity of your tire has been compromised, which can lead to a blowout. Not the excitement you're looking for. And 3. Age. If your tires are 6 years old or older, keep an eye on them, no matter how good the treads look. The sun breaks down rubber over time, which is why tires in hot, dry climates typically have shorter lifespans. Find your tire's born-on date on the sidewall. Look for the DOT letters, then check the last 4 digits. This tire was manufactured in the 30th week of 2014. To learn more, talk to a Mopar tire expert. We specialize in tire care and replacement. We carry most major tire brands, and we're conveniently located at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar. We built it. We know it.